Hello, everyone. I know I've been gone for a while, and once you start being gone from YouTube, it's a little harder to come back. Everything is okay. I'm doing fine. Uh, I haven't been on, so I said, let me just pop in here and show my face and say hello. Yeah, that holiday season went by just too fast. I spent most of my time with my mother, and she made, a nice little small dinner each time for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and she made a nice meal for New Year's Day. So I had a nice time. It was quiet, but we enjoyed each other. We watched a lot of movies and stuff. And I also want to say thank you for all of you who prayed for my family during the time of our bereavement. Um, my son-in-law was buried Monday, and they had a nice service for him, and it was sad, because he was young, but it was really nice. And I'm praying for y'all too. I know a lot of us all over the country, all over the world rather, are losing a lot of people. A lot of people came down sick during Christmas. I found that very strange because it was like concentrated around the holidays, like around Christmas, and I found that a little strange. Just about everybody I know someone who either have the virus or have family members who have it. And y'all know on YouTube there was a lot of people here around the holidays that caught it too. So I received a nice card in the mail from one of my girls here on YouTube. She's simply LB. Her name is Latanya, and I always tell the story how we knew each other. We have known each other for a very long time on YouTube. I'm going to show you the card. And here's the front of it. Isn't that pretty? It's a really nice card, and it says, "You're in my prayers. It's so hard to lose someone you love, and the words can't take away the sadness you feel. I hope it helps to remember that your loved one is in God's care. Please know that you're in my thoughts and prayers, and if you need me, I'm here with my deepest sympathy. Love, Latanya." I told her, I said, this really made my day when I got it because I wasn't expecting it, and it just was a really sweet thing for her to do. So, girl, you brought me so much joy. This card really, really helped me because we were going through it with some tough times. So, yeah, like I said, I was spending time at my mom's, and we were watching movies, and I never told y'all this, but I'm hooked on Love after Lockup. The season ended, and I can't wait for it to come back. I love that show. I'm not a show reactor or anything, but it's just a few shows that I really, really like it. So now they have Love During Lockup, and I watched that, and that was so good. And some of you who know me, you'll know why I like that show. No, I don't go after people in jail. Oh boy, I'll be wondering, y'all really think that's going to work out? But there are some couples, not a whole lot. There are a few couples that, their relationship seems like is, going okay. But that show is interesting. It's down to earth. It's not a whole lot of fakery. That's what I like. A whole lot of fakery. And I like Deontay on Love at the Lockup. But girls, I'm going to get into that Love During Lockup. And like I said, if you know me, you will know why. So yeah, y'all. I hope y'all had a good holiday. I watched some of y'all's videos. I wasn't able to watch the Vlogmas much, and I'm gonna tell you why. Y'all, I love y'all to death. I want to see all of y'all's videos, but some of them videos was real long, y'all. And I was trying, I was going, and then the time got away from me because I'm trying to, make up work and stuff. During this time of year, like January, February, the ad revenue for different jobs, it goes down because everybody done spent their money for the holidays, and they're not really trying to buy a whole lot of stuff in January and February. So it's like you have to work extra hard, and you start missing out on some things. So if you see me over there watching some of your Christmas videos, that's because I'm trying to catch up. I will not comment on all of them because I got a lot to make up, a lot of them to watch. But I promise, as I go through them, I will like it. Some I will comment. I know y'all get a lot of comments, so it's hard to keep, responding to every comment. So just letting you know that I will be, trying to catch up because some of y'all had some really interesting videos, and but y'all, some of them are too long. They too long, y'all. I watch some people, their videos are long, but they also include shorter videos. And so even if I can't watch those long videos, I watch the short ones. But I watch Nick Nimmin, who gives YouTube advice, and he suggested a little while back that YouTubers that don't have a big audience, like I have a small audience, to not even do Vlogmas because it's so many of the big YouTubers that's doing it. Everybody's flocking to their videos, and even though y'all have some great videos, you would kind of get lost. Your videos will kind of get lost out there. So that's just something that. So I have never done it. One time, someone was trying to talk me into doing it, but I said no, I don't have time for that. Everyday recording stuff. But for people who record every day anyway, it's not a problem. But y'all, some of the videos are long, y'all. They're like hours. They too long. But I still like them. And I think what I'm gonna do sometimes is maybe I'll just watch some of it, like an hour or so, you know. But wow, we living in a tough world, y'all. Things are really, really bad. I have a lot of people in my family, like different states, that's sick, and every time you turn around, you're hearing stories of friends or people you know or people that maybe your family know that they done passed away and stuff like that. So I don't know what's going on, but it seems like it's almost like we ain't gonna be able to go outside and interact with people. And the prices are so high. I went to Stop and Shop yesterday, and I said I'm just gonna pick up a few things. I went in there and the food was so high. The big pack of chicken wings was $20 and something. I said, no. I can't do that to myself. Mm-mm. Because if you get packs of meat that's $20, $30 here and stuff, your bill is going to be high. And by the time I got to the register, I didn't buy that chicken. I ended up getting the bag of the wing flings for $8.99, and sometimes I don't like them because they be frozen, too long. But I ended up getting that. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. Got sandwich meat, bread, cheese, and different things. But my bill was $77, and I said, "Wow, I didn't hardly get anything." So I know I know how to cook beans, but I will be looking for more recipes on YouTube about how to cook beans different ways. And I like the West Indian style bean recipes because I like it over the rice. And um, but the meats, y'all, mm-mm-mm. I love oxtails, but I brought some earlier. I say mid-December, and I made it about a week and a half ago. And then after that, I said, I'm not doing it either no more or no time soon because that pack of meat was $35 or something like that, and it wasn't that much in there. Anything they figure that poor people like, whatever, because before, many years ago, that wasn't a big deal, for people to get that and cook that. But now, it has all that fat. Well, they're cutting down on the fat a little bit on them, but it's just a little bit meat and bone. It's very good meat. And if you make it tender and cook it for a long time, it's really excellent. But mm-mm. I got to cut corners somewhere. Maybe eat meat once or twice a week. And, or go to a meat market. Sometimes the meat markets are just a little bit cheaper, but food is just so high. Wow, it's high. The weather here has been kind of up and down. Like a few days we get like in the 40s. Then it's been like real cold days, real cold nights. And we're supposed to get snow. I think they said Monday. It's supposed to be a big snowstorm here. We had one last week, but it wasn't that bad. And then we had another one that affected some cities in my state, but we didn't get no snow from that, over this way at all. But the last time we got a little bit, and it wasn't that bad. So y'all also, yeah, Latanya's YouTube channel is Simply LB, and then she has another one. She sells makeup and accessories, and that's called Confidence Makeup and Accessories Retailer. And she has, real nice makeup. Y'all saw the palette that I purchased from her, and it was really nice. And the colors were nice and rich, going on and easy to blend out and everything. So go and, check her out. I'm going to try to list it here in my description box, her channels. Okay. So that's it, y'all. I'm going to go and relax. I had some other videos and I tried to edit the videos and it just wasn't working out. And so I just kind of gave up, but I might try to release those and I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. But my problem is, honestly, y'all, I say this a whole lot. I'll be trying to stick to a niche, a certain thing or a group of things that's similar, but it's so hard. It is so hard because I'll be wanting to do other things. But what I'm going to just do is not make any videos. And then when I feel like making those, I'll make them. To stay to a niche it's not easy. Sometimes you just want to make some other things. So I guess I talked long enough. Okay, so I love you all and I will see you soon. Bye now.